This video is about how to send data to many ESP32s. So there will be one sender and many receivers. This is continuation of this video where I share the minimal code for one sender and one receiver. Here you can see I have opened multiple windows and there are two receivers at the same time. So this is 1456. So this is 1456, 18 seconds, 18 seconds. So these are the two receivers, and the data is sent by one ESP32. To achieve this, what we need to do is we need to add MAC address of the second ESP32 receiver. Here is the code. So you need to add MAC address of the second receiver, and you see we use a different name for this. And when we add the peers, so we have to add peers separately. First the ESP32 first one and then the second one. Let's see the code. So here I have two MAC address of the receivers. So this is the code for senders. The code for receiver will remain the same. So broadcast address 1 and broadcast address 2, and then in setup what I need to do is I need to add the two peers separately. So first I'm adding the broadcast address 1 and add it to peer, then the second peer. And if you have like third, fourth, fifth, many peers, so you can add as many as you want. So you have to repeat this command, and here you have to declare the MAC addresses of the receiver. That's it. I hope you like this video.